If n is equals to 1, 2, 3, and 4, now n is equals to 5, n is equals to 6, and n is equals to 7. So remember, up to 7, if I want to find number of isomers, so definitely is the most important one. They'll ask you to drop for n is equals to 4, 5, 6 in exam also. So number of isomers, if n is less than or equals to 7, all of you remember. More than that, it is not possible. There is no general formula. If n is less than or equals to 7, then the general formula is number of isomers is 2 power n minus 4. All of you remember, plus 1. It is only up to what, guys? Up to n is equals to what? N is equals to only 7. So now let us calculate for everything so that you will understand. So first, n is equals to 1. If we'll substitute, as I told you, first 3, what will come? Number of isomers, all of you. Number of isomers. N is equals to 1, only 1. N is equals to 2, 2. N is equals to 3, 3 only. Now, n is equals to 4. What is the number of isomers? Let us check it. So, n 4 minus 4 plus 1. So, 4 minus 4 means 0. Anything power 0, how much, guys?
1.
1. So, 1 plus 1. So, total number of isomers, how many? Butane.
2 isomers.
Yes, everybody. Butane is how many? Yes, please. Butane is having 2 isomers. Same way, n is equals to 5. N is equals to 5, how many will come? All of you. 2 power 5 minus 4 plus 1. So 2 power 5 minus 4 means 2 power 1 plus 1. So 2 power 1 means 2. 2 plus 1, which is equals to how much? Yes, please. 3 isomers. So remember, first 3 carbons, n is equals to 1, n is equals to 2, n is equals to 3. Only number of isomers 1, that itself. Now n is equals to 4, number of isomers is 2, n is equals to 5, number of isomers is 3. I think these 3 isomers already we have drawn. Is it yes? All of you? Yes or no? Nobody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is what it is. Next, n is equals to 6. Can you tell me n is equals to 6 means what will come? All of you? N is equals to 6 means 2 power 6 minus 4 plus 1, which is equals to 2 power 6 minus 2, 2 plus 1. So 2 power 2 means 4, 4 plus 1, which is equals to how much, guys? All of you. So if n is equals to 6, number of isomers is 6. Same way, n is equals to 7, all of you. N is equals to 7, 2 power 7 minus 4 plus 1. So 2 power 3 plus 1. So everybody, 2 power 3 what? 2 power 3 means 8 plus 1, which is equals to how much? 9. Okay. So till here, any doubt? Anybody please ask. Are you clear? Sai? So n is equals to 7. The general formula is applicable. So after that, basically it won't be applicable. But you should learn till n is equals to 10. So after that, there is no standard formula. If n is equals to 8, n is equals to 9, n is equals to 10. So please kindly, all of you should learn till here. If n is equals to 8, number of isomers are 18. Okay. If n is equals to 9, number of isomers are 35. If n is equals to 10, number of isomers is 75. Okay, everybody. So up to 10 you should learn. Till here, any doubt, anybody can ask me. Now, number of isomers. All of you remember one statement. If number of isomer n is increasing, number of carbon is increasing, number of isomers increases rapidly. Do you understand, all of you? Now, for example, if n is equals to 14, do you understand, all of you? The number of isomers will come. Number of isomers will come around 1858. 1858 isomers will come. If, for example, n is equals to 18, remember 60,523 isomers will come. If this is for example, I'm saying, if n is equals to 30, then you will get around 4 crore 4 triple dash triple 763. This is what number of isomers. Do you understand all of you? N is equals to what? N is equals to 30. So many isomers will come. So here you have to remember one statement. What is that? As the number of carbon atoms in an alkane molecule increases, then the number of isomers increases rapidly. Please remember, as the number of carbon atoms in an alkane, whatever you are studying in class 10, only alkane molecule increases, the number of possible isomers increases rapidly. Is it okay? But till where you should learn, guys? Till n is equals to 7.
And
You should remember, n is equals to 7. Definitely they will ask you in exam. They will ask you to draw isomers of n is equals to 6, n is equals to 5, and n is equals to 7. N is equals to 7 also very rarely will ask, but 4, 5, and 6 is the most important one. All of you should know isomers of n is equals to 4, 5, 6. So n is equals to 1, 2, 3. So why is the formula? How is the formula will applicable? It will come negative. So negative isomers is not possible. First one, 1 minus 4, 2 power minus 3 will come. So isomer is 1 only. 2 minus 2, minus 2 will come, 1 only. 3 minus 4, minus 1 will come. That is also 1 only isomer. That is what? 1, 2, 3, number of isomers is not possible. Only one itself. The first main formula itself is the isomer. Not 0, guys. Remember, yes, C is equals to 4, 2 isomers. C is equals to 5, 3 isomers. C is equals to 6, 5 isomers. C is equals to 7, 9 isomers. So till here, what is the formula will apply? The formula is 2 power n minus 4 plus 1 is applicable. The formula up to n is equals to or less than or equals to 7. So till here, hope everybody has understand. So any doubt, please kindly let me know. Are you clear, everybody? Yes,
Sir.
that is. Now, shall we draw for now isomers of butane? Everybody, first one, n is equals to 1. Let us draw isomers, first one. Everybody will draw. Everything, please keep heading and we'll finish it fastly. Isomers. First, n is equals to 1. So what is n is equals to 1 isomer? First, everybody. CH4. Okay. So what is the structure? C single bond H, single bond H, single bond H, and single bond H. That's all isomer. Next, n is equals to 2. What will come? C2H6. Alkanes only I am drawing. Alkanes means all are single bond or double bond or triple bond. All are alkanes. Triple bond, everybody. Only all are single bond only. Methane. This is ethane. Next, n is equals to everyone. N is equals to 3. So it will come C3H8. So what will come? Single bond, single bond, single bond. So here H, and H. Here 2 hydrogens, and here again 3 hydrogens will come. So what is the name of this one? All of you. Yes, please.
propane.
Propane. Yes, that is what it is. Now, n is equals to 4. It will start. So n is equals to 4 means what is the number of isomers? All of you. Number of isomers.
Two.
Number of isomers, how many guys? Two. Understanding? So one is straight chain, another one is branched chain. So first isomer, anybody can tell me what is the first isomer? C4H10 is the first isomer. I will draw the structure. So observe. So straight chain carbons, all straight chain only is present. Now each carbon is having, you can check it, 4 bonds should satisfy. So this is what the first isomer. That is what is the name of this one? Anybody can tell? Common name. I want common name. All of you, common name of this one. Anybody?
N-butane.
Butane.
Understanding? N-butane. What is the condensed formula? Condensed formula. CH3, CH2, CH3. Remember, when branched chain will come, you have to name it branched chain, lowest possible number. You can give it now, all are straight chain only. You can give anywhere, no issues. So N-butane and IUPAC name is what? What is IUPAC name? Butane. Okay, everybody? That is the first isomer. So what is the second isomer? Everybody try to draw. Second isomer, all of you. Second isomer, Si, what will come? Main parent chain will be 3 and middle carbon will get branched one. That's all. So what is that? Everybody, girls also should draw, please. If you draw only, you can. If not, you cannot. So first carbon 3, second carbon already 3 bonds are over. So how many hydrogens will come? Only 1 hydrogen. And last carbon again, how many hydrogens? Yes, please. 3 hydrogens. And last carbon, this also will come 3 hydrogens. So totally, how many hydrogens? Check it. How many hydrogens, Amma? 10 hydrogens. Yes or no? Please respond. That is what you have to remember it. So this is what? What is the condensed formula? All of you? CH3, single bond, CH3, single bond, CH3. So here branched chain. So first branched chain, we must find the alkyl group. What is the alkyl group here? All of you.
Methyl.
Everybody, IUPAC name is methyl group. So methyl and branched chain should get lowest possible number. So which side? Left to right or right to left?
Left to right.
Whatever you can give, here only 3 carbons are there. So it doesn't matter. So I will say 2 methyl. And this is the parent chain. Parent chain maximum number of carbons. Check it. Parent chain maximum number of carbons.
3 carbon.
3. So 3 means what will come? Prop or but?
Propane.
Propane. So 2 methyl propane. 2 methyl propane is only what? Butane. Do you understand, all of you? So that is what. And common name is isobutane. What is this? Isobutane. Understand? Everybody, please respond.
Yes, sir.
2-methyl propane, also we can say isobutane. Note it down. Any doubt, anybody can ask me. Are you clear? So totally how many? If n is equals to 4, number of isomers are 2. Now, n is equals to 5. I already told you to draw. N is equals to 5. Number of isomers are how many, guys? N is equals to 5. Even last class I taught you. N is equals to 5. Number of isomers are how many?
3.
3. That is what it is. So draw fastly. Let me see how many of you will draw. First, without seeing, you all should draw without seeing. So n is equals to 5. So isomers I already will teach you directly. First one is pentane. Second one is isopentane. Isopentane. Also named, what is IUPAC name? 2-methyl butane. Okay. Next, neopentane 2,2 dimethyl propane. So these are the three isomers. All of you draw. Dimethyl propane. So structures. First one is straight chain or branched chain. Common. Everybody. Straight chain. Understanding? 5 carbons. So balance the hydrogens every time. Yesterday also we did naming of nomenclature of alkanes. By this time I taught you. So that is what the same thing you have to remember. Unless you practice, you cannot. So what is the IUPAC name? Maitreyan, Elmukil? Common name. What is the common name? Common name is N-pentane. Okay. What is the IUPAC name? Sai, Pradosh, pentane. Okay. That is the first one. What is the second one? One carbon will remove. So parent chain, how many carbons more? Parent chain, how many? N is equals to 4, parent chain. So 4 carbons will be there in parent chain and second carbon will be having a branch. So the second naming, tell me, left to right or right to left? Naming, lowest possible. Lowest possible. First give number of hydrogens.
Right to left.
Yes. And here 1 and here again 3 will come. Sai, right to left. My hand you see, not your hand. Mine, how it will come? This is
Left to right.
this is
Left to right.
yeah.
Left to right.
For you also, your notebook, you are drawing, you will get left to right only. Is it right or wrong? Check it. Is it yes, everybody? So condensed formula: CH3 single bond CH, single bond CH2, single bond CH3. Here CH3 will come. So what is the alkyl group present? Everybody, what is the alkyl group present?
Methyl.
Methyl group. Understanding? Methyl. So first you should write that. Methyl group. Methyl. And parent chain. What is the maximum number of carbons? Parent chain. Maximum number of carbons. All of you.
4.
4. So 4 means what will come?
Butane.
And branched chain always must come lowest possible. So now tell me, left to right or right to left?
Left to right.
Left to right, that is what. So lowest possible 2. So 2-methyl butane. Is IUPAC name or common name?
Name.
IUPAC name. Okay. Common name. Common name is
Pentane.
isopentane. Okay. Next, last structure. Parent chain, how many we can take? Parent chain. Parent chain means longest chain. Parent chain N is equals to how many we can take? Only 3. Okay, everybody. So C, 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 and last and first carbon you should not keep branch. So that is why middle itself I am keeping the branches. So that is how the structure will come. Is it right or wrong, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So draw. Unless we'll draw, we'll never improve in this chapter. Always this chapter will torture us unless we are studying. So please make it so that formula will come like this. CH3 single bond C, CH3 single bond again CH3 again single bond CH3. Is it right or wrong, everybody? Yes. Now, parent chain, what is the maximum number of carbons? 3.
3.
So, what is the name will come? Propane.
Propane.
Understanding? That is the first thing. Next, how many alkyl groups are there? Check it. How many alkyl groups are there?
2.
2. So, means dimethyl. Dimethyl. And which carbon it is there? Check it. 1, 2, 3. Left, right to left, same. So up to second carbon there. So that is what it is called as 2,2 dimethyl propane. Okay. What is the common name of this one? All of you. Common name is
Neopropane.
neopropane. Okay. That is what you have to remember. So now C is equals to you all should draw. Totally 5 structures will come. At least till there you must learn. C is equals to 4, 5, 6 is very, very important for board exam also. Anything they can ask you for even 2 mark. Draw the isomers of C is equals to 4, or C is equals to 5, or C is equals to 6. So till here, everybody, hope all of you understand. So isomers of alkanes is most important one. So please all of you make it, and anything doubt you can ask me. Now tomorrow one example, as it is not there much, one example for isomers in alkenes and isomers in alkynes I will teach you. Later directly we'll go to the homologous series. So hope everybody understand till here. Any doubt guys? Please let me know. Clear? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Joel, Alana, Meenal. Okay, so if you have understand this, so please kindly leave from the meeting. Tomorrow we'll meet. Thank you all. Please write it. Everything draw. You draw only, you will understand. You are seeing means no use. You have to draw every time. Thank you all.